I was working in the bar late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monster.
Ingredient 1, hot dogs. Ingredient 2, crescent rolls. And last but not least, mustard, but you can use ketchup or whatever other nasty you may enjoy.
We're preheating the oven to 375. Got that? Got that right there? See that?
You're gonna take out the crescent rolls, you're gonna put them all into one area, and you're gonna cut them into 1-inch strips.
Which this one didn't work out like that, but whatever.
Sometimes
Don't
they
mind
won't work
that.
out, just use the excess.
Yeah, you just want to do it like this. Alright, so we're taking the 1-inch strip and we're wrapping it around the hot dog to make it look like a mummy.
But make sure when you're wrapping it that you leave space so that the mummy has a face.
So now we're putting them in for 12 minutes at 375.
Look at those bad boys cooking in there.
Now you get your mustard. You want to make little eyeballs, like so, at the opening of the mummy head.
All right, so here's the finished product of the mummy dog. I'm gonna bite his head off.
This here, all of a sudden I beg you,
It's just a big pig in a blanket.
you're scared of
It's good.
chemo.
Ingredient 1, fresh strawberries. Ingredient 2, white chocolate. Ingredient 3, chocolate chips.
So what you want to do is get a box of strawberries and wash them. Now you just want to get your white chocolate and follow the directions on the box, which is microwave bowl on high for 30 seconds and stir. If it still hasn't melted, you're gonna want to put it back in for another 10 seconds, take it out and stir again. We're cooking.
Now with the strawberries, you gotta cut off the stems.
So that they look like that.
So once you've got your strawberries all chopped,
Okay.
you take them, you dip them in the bowl,
Like,
get a nice
get them a
even
lot.
cover, and you put them on your parchment paper.
Then you're gonna wanna take your mini chocolate chips and make little eyeballs, like so. 2 eyes and a little mouth. And now you have your ghost.
I used to hate ghosts when I was a kid, and this is the perfect way to exact my revenge?
Sure.
Whatever.
I just wanted to do you the courtesy of giving you my honest opinion.
Yo, that is so good. Oh my God, yo, for real, have one. Yo, have one right now. I'm not even joking. All right, everybody, that's it for this week's Food Friday. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back at you next week with some more Halloween spooky ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you enjoyed what you saw. See you next time. Ingredient 1, hot dogs.
Wait.
What? Oh, it's upside down?
So we have your wiener here.
So what we're doing today is we're wrapping fat wieners.
Head, yeah. We gotta do your head.
Okay.
You're just ripping everything apart.
I'm not
right?
doing it on purpose, I promise. It's like just happening. But that's okay, because it looks mummy-ish when it's hanging. Okay.
Gotta do his neck. I got it.
Oh, it broke.
Oh, shit. All right.
Because you can use this later.
All right, one last wipe. An emergency wipe.
Yes. Exactly.
Leave some pieces of skin out.
My hot dog doesn't just.